Hello everyone, I am Kafia Attar. We have already studied that there are various kinds of plant. We can easily notice the differences in their size, shape, lifespan, the place they grow, and the flowering pattern of plant. It is easy to classify the plant on the basis of observation. So, let us learn about the different kinds of plant. Generally, on the basis of observation, or we can say on the basis of stem, plants are classified into four classes: trees, shrubs, herbs, vines. Trees, big and tall plant, are called trees. Their stem is thick, hard, and strong. It is called trunk. Trees have branches at some height much above the ground. Trees grow more than 3 meters. Trees bear flower and fruits. For example, mango, banyan tree, neem, coconut, etc. Shrubs, plants that grow close to the ground, have medium height, are called shrubs. Shrubs have woody, thick and hard stem. They give out branches very close to the ground. Shrubs grow up to 2 to 3 meter. They are shorter and smaller than trees. For example, rose plant, sunflower plant, oleander, hibiscus, etc. Herbs. Some plants are very short in size. They are called herbs. Stem of herbs are green, soft, and quite flexible as compared to those of trees and shrubs. They do not have many branches. Herbs grow up to 1 to 1.5 meters tall. For example, lettuce, coriander, mint, etc. Vines. Some plants, unlike trees, herbs, and shrubs, have a very weak stem and can't stand erect, are called vines. Vines are two types: creepers and climbers. Climbers. Some plant with weak stem that climb up with the support of other plant, walls or sticks are called climbers. For example, money plant, pea plant, bean plant, etc. Plants with weak stem that spread on the ground are called creepers. For example, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant, etc. On the basis of lifespan, plants are classified into three classes: annuals, biennials, perennials. Annuals. Plant like jawar, bajra, sunflower, groundnut, etc. complete their life cycle only in 1 year. That means they grow and die in a year. These plants are called annuals. Biennials. Plant like carrot, beetroot have their life cycle of 2 years. That means they grow and die in 2 years. During the first season, they prepare and store food, and in second season, they bear flower, fruits, and seed. Perennials. Some tree like neem, mango, banyan, etc. lives for several years. and bear flower fruits. Plants that live for more than 2 years are called perennial plants. Based on flowering pattern, plants are classified into two classes: flowering plants, non-flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. For example, rose plant, gulmohar plants, cactus plants, etc. Non-flowering plants. Plants that never bear flower are called non-flowering plant. For example, algae, fern, moss, etc. Some plant grows in land and some plant grows in water. On the basis of their habitat, plants are classified as terrestrial plant and aquatic plant. Terrestrial plant. Plant that grows on land are called terrestrial plant. For example, tamarind tree, peepal tree. Some terrestrial plants grow in dry and in desert region. They are called xerophytes. For example, cactus plant, acacia plant, etc. Aquatic plant. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plant or hydrophytes. For example, lotus hydrilla. Aquatic plant like hydrilla grows on water are called submerged plant. So, today we have classified plant into four groups on the basis of lifespan, flowering pattern, habitat, and stem. According to stem, plants are classified into four classes: trees, shrubs, herbs, and vines. Based on lifespan, trees are classified into three classes: annual, biennials, and perennials. Based on flowering pattern, plants are classified into two classes: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Based on habitat, plants are divided into two classes: terrestrial plant and aquatic plant. Terrestrial plants includes xerophytes and aquatic plants include submerged plant.